The government has published legislation to help people struggling with personal and mortgage debt. Some mortgage holders would be allowed write off part of their debt and not lose ownership of their homes. But experts have told RTE News that up to 30,000 homes and properties are likely to be repossessed once the new insolvency measures come into effect.
Ireland's personal debt problem is among the worst in the world. Today, as required under the terms of the bailout, the government unveiled its plan to fix the problem. 3 options were proposed. A 1-year debt relief certificate, allowing for the full write-off of unsecured debt under €20,000. A 5-year debt settlement arrangement to cover unsecured debts over €20,000. And a 6-year personal insolvency arrangement which covers mortgages. It can include a write-down of a portion of a home loan if lenders agree to it.
It would afford to a couple or an individual the possibility of continuing to live in their home, and after that 6-year period has elapsed, of exiting from those circumstances, getting on with their lives.
The new measures might make it easier for some people to cut deals with their banks and stay in their homes, but RTE News has been told that up to 30,000 homes and properties are likely to be repossessed once the new legislation is put in place.
I would certainly expect about half of the households that are currently in mortgage arrears, the 8.1% of households that are currently in mortgage arrears, to not remain in possession of their dwelling, so to end up having to surrender the dwelling, having it repossessed.
According to the latest figures from the central bank, over 8% of mortgages are currently in arrears. That's over 60,000. Up to half, or 30,000 of these mortgages, are estimated to be unsustainable and likely to end up in repossession cases. The new measures will also deal with unsecured or so-called lifestyle debt. It could lead to a boom in the debt advisor sector. Anyone who watches British daytime television will have seen them, those advertisements encouraging people to pool their debts into one monthly payment. Experts say there's likely to be huge pent-up demand for similar services here, and regulation will be key.
At the moment, debt management is an unregulated activity. Insolvency practitioners tend to be solicitors and accountants, so we're not sure exactly who's going to be in this space or who will oversee them.
The new legislation is due to come into force in April. Paul Colgan, RTE News.
The Taoiseach and Kenny is in Switzerland tonight.